The days of the week are not so difficult to learn in Latin because they're similar to the names of the planets that can be seen with the naked eye and the sun and the moon. Try to guess which day this is. Dies Solis. Can you see the connection to solar? This literally means the sun's day. Sun is sol in Latin, and solis is the genitive or possessive form. And you've heard the phrase carpe diem, right? Meaning, make good use of the day. Diem is the accusative form of dies. And what do you think this is? Dies lunae. You know what lunar refers to, right? So this is literally the moon's day, or Monday. Moon is luna in Latin, and lunae is the genitive form. Learning the days of the week is a good way to learn or practice the genitive form, since the days cover the first three declensions. Luna is the first declension noun, and sol is third declension. There's only one more day you'll be able to guess unless you know a Romance language, and it's the following second declension noun, dies Saturni. This is obviously Saturday. And what is the nominative or subject form of Saturni? Saturnus. Now, what was Monday again? Dies lunae. The following day is Dies Martis. This is the genitive form of Mars, the red planet, and is another third declension noun. Can you remember Sunday? Dies Solis. You see, the genitive ending for third declension nouns is is, but Mars is irregular in the nominative form. The day following Dies Martis is Dies Mercurii. And what's the nominative form of this? Mercurius. Two more. The next one's a little weird. Dies Jovis. This is actually another name for Jupiter, which we say as Jove in English. And furthermore, this is the Roman version of Zeus, the king of the gods. But this name is weird. The genitive and nominative forms are both Jovis, which sometimes happens with third declension nouns. And finally, we have Dies Veneris. This is the genitive form of Venus, or Venus in English. So, how do we remember which day is which? We know Sunday and Moon Day, right? They are Dies Solis and Dies Lunae. Then the two M days are next to each other, and A comes before E. So Tuesday is Dies Martis, and Wednesday, Dies Mercurii. The word Thursday comes from Thor's day, who was the Norse god of thunder, and since Zeus was also the god of thunder, we know that Thursday is Dies Jovis. And since Venus is the god of love, you can remember that this refers to Friday because Friday is date night. So this one is Dies Veneris. And finally, Saturday has almost the same pronunciation. Dies Saturni. So we can see that the regular genitive forms end with I, E, and is for first, second, and third declension nouns. But notice, besides the days of the week, we also learned how to say sun and moon, as well as the name of several Roman gods and planet names.